just want to share with you my chickens and kind of talk to you about how they eat and what they eat and how they live here. So let's check them out. So this right here is called Chicken Scratch, and in it has yummy food for them. It has some corn, some bird seeds, some sunflower seeds, and some little worms in it. And the chickens really like to eat it. It's just a fun little treat for them to eat. Her name is Feely. Let's go check out the other chickens and we'll check out their house. We have a couple different kinds of chickens. We have a Cochin. This one right here is called a Cochin. We have an Americana. Over there is two other Cochins. And this one right over here, black and white one, back here, she is a Plymouth Rock chicken. Let's go check out their house. So this right here is called a chicken coop, and within the chicken coop there's two parts to it. We have the run, which if they're not able to be out on the chicken yard, this is a nice safe place for them to be. Predators can't get in. And then over here is where they sleep. And also is our little egg box. There's no eggs right now because I collected them earlier, but this is where they come in. It's nice and quiet. It's a good place for them to rest and to lay their eggs. They lay eggs about every day or every other day. And then over here is the inside of their house. And inside of their house we have just wood shavings. That's a nice warm place for them to sleep, and they like to cuddle together to keep warm. Check out the birds again. So this is our chicken yard. We have an electric fence which is off right now, so I can actually touch it. But this is what keeps out the dogs and the coyotes and all the bad predators, because we don't want them to hurt the chickens, so we have this on during the day. They love chicken scratch. They come a-running. So with the chickens, as you can see, they have their little legs here, and they have some claws, which they actually scratch at the ground because they're looking for the seeds. And I'll see if they'll do it right now. Maybe. I might do it. I think they're being shy because they're on camera. Another cool thing about chickens is they don't have teeth. They just have their beaks. So when they eat their food, it goes into their crop, which is technically their stomach. And then they have to eat little tiny pebbles, which is called grit, to help kind of grind all the food down. And when they grind it all down, then they're able to digest the food, and essentially they're going to poop it out, just like when we eat food. Oh, there she goes. She's scratching at the ground. She's looking for all that food. The black and white one's named Dory. The one next to her is named Glowin. And then we have Ori over here, and Owen by himself. And then way in the corner behind the bush is Nori. And then the black and white one, that is Thorn, Oak, and Shield. And then we have Feely and Keely are the black and white, not the black and white ones, the orange and white ones, and they're over there in the corner. So that blue tarp over there is their shade structure because it's really hot. Chickens don't sweat, they're just like dogs, and so they need to have shade, fresh water every day, and a place where they can just kind of relax and enjoy the weather but have some nice shade. Dory, the red thing on top is called her comb, and that is a really good indicator of keeping her healthy. So hers is tall and it's red, so it shows that she is healthy. When it starts to get kind of droopy and kind of pale, that means that the chicken is sick and we have to figure out why she's sick. And the chickens have different sizes. So she has a big one, where those two over there have a little tiny cone. Those ones are called pea cones, where hers is just a cone. Right, I'm gonna share with the other friends. All right, friends, until next time, we'll see you later, and thanks for visiting the chickens. Bye.